Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope so. You all are doing great, and welcome back to my new lecture. Welcome back to another topic. Welcome back to another thing that we learn, another topic that we learn. And if you have not like subscribed to my channel, please do that, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get a notification of all of my videos. So in today's lecture we'll learn something new, and before that, if you have any question about English or math science, you can comment me on any of my video. I'll go through that. So let's start with today's lecture without wasting any of our time, so that we get a proper time to learn and discuss our one thing three times at its most prevalent and easy thing that we'll learn about maths. Today we'll learn about HCF. What is HCF? HCF. So HCF, what word HCF means, what word HCF is used for, its working, its method, we'll do all of that things, its formula even though. So HCF is basically the highest common factor. But now let's start about it in the name of Allah Almighty. So let's start about it by reciting dua. So recite it with me. Bismillah Rahim. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. I made it up. Mere ilmi izafa farma. HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. What is HCF? Highest common factor. The factor that divides all of the all of the numbers we have in the word bank. So the number that divides all of that numbers completely is called a HCF, or highest common factor. Method 1. What is a method 1? How we can find the HCF? Finding the HCF of three numbers by writing the common factors of the given numbers. Like if you see HCF, highest common factor, what are the steps? First of all, you have to find factors. Like you have to, if I give you 6, 8 and 4. Now first of all, I will say you to write their factors. I will say you first to write their factors. That basically means what is the sum, like which numbers they are divisible by. So that's basically called factors. Then you have to finding common factors. You have found the factors of all of these three numbers. Then I will say you to you have to place properly the factors, and you have to look from there that which are similar in all three. Numbers that are similar in all three are the common factors. Then you have to choose highest common factor in all those factors. The ones that is highest and is common in all of these three is basically the HCF. So HCF is the highest common factor which divides given numbers exactly, completely, by leaving no remainder 0. Okay, by leaving no remainder. That's called. So first of all, the steps that you have to never forget while finding HCF is basically you have to find factors, then you have to find common factors, and then you have to choose the highest common factor. Here I have two words, and I am here to do some examples of that. Find the HCF of 14 and 16 by writing their factors. So how I can make or how I can have the factors of 14 and 16. So very first step is basically to write their factors. Basically first factor I'm having is 1 14s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. In one table also 14 comes, and in two table also 14 comes, and in three table there is no 14, 4 5 6 there is no 14, as it is in 2 multiplied by 7, so there is also in 7 multiplied by 2, but it would be repeated factor, so we will stop here. Whenever the factors becomes a repeated factor, we stop there. Okay, so then I got to know there are only four factors of, basically there are four factors of 14, that are 1 2 7 and 14. Then of 16, 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, and 4 4s are 16. Like in 3 table it does not come. Okay, now here if you see 4 4s are, what does it means? Like 4 is coming 2 times, it's being divisible by 4 4s are, and 4 4s are once again. So here we will start that. So factors of 14 that I have, 16 that I have are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now we get know that what are the factors of 14 and what are the factors of 16. So the factors of 14 are 1 2 7 and 14, and the factors of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. If you look here in 4 and 16, 1 is similar and 2 is similar. These two factors are similar. These two factors are common. So I will place the common factors in the other line that are 1 and 2. So in these two I will find which is the greatest one, which is greatest in number. So in 1 and 2, 2 is greatest, so that means the HCF of 14 and 16 would be 2. The HCF that I would be having of 14 and 16 is 2. This is the highest common factor. Clear? Same way, if I take another example, like you have to find that HCF of 16, 32 and 40 by writing their factors. What I will do, first of all, I will place their factors. That 16, 1 16 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 4 4 is 16. Again I stop. Why? Because 16 4 4, that's double time coming, so I will stop up here. This is a repeated factor, so I will stop. Then I'm having 32, 1, like I have to place the factors of 16 that are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Then I'm having 32, so 32 is a 32, 2 16 is a 32, 4 8 is a 32, and then it does not comes, but in 8 multiplied by 4 it comes 32 as it's repeated, because 4 multiplied by 8 is already done, so it's again 8 multiplied by 4, so it's a repeated factor. So we will stop over here, and I will write the factors of 32, which are 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. Then what I have 40, so 1 40s are 42, 20s are 44, 10s are 45, 8s are 40, and then it does not comes, but in 8 5 that comes 40, so it is similar to 5 multiplied by 8 and 8 multiplied by 5, so it's a repeated factor, so we will stop over here. And I get to know the factors of 40, that are 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 40. So let's now have find all of their factors. So let's know what are their factors. Factors of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Factors of 32 are 1 2 4 8 16 and 32, and factors of 40 are 1 2 4 5 8 10 20 and 40. See again. Now if you look over here, factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1 2 4 8. Like if now you see the common factors here, 1 is also common, 2 is also common, 4 is also common in all of them, and 8 is also common in all of them. 16 is common in 2, but in third we have no 16. Okay, so that's why only these 4 are common. So the common factors are 16, 32 and 40 are 1 2 4 and 8. Now I have know the common factors. Now I want to know the highest common factor, the highest number that is among 1 2 4 and 8. So 8 is the greatest among them, so this would be the highest factor of 16, 32 and 48. So I get to know that the highest factor that divides these 3 numbers completely is 8. Clear? So it's time for live working. So okay, if you want to, you can. So here again I have a question. Find the HCF of 6, 8 and 12 by writing their factors. Now first of all I have to write their factors that are of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 3 is 6, and then in 3 table 3 2 is 6. It's a repeated factor, so I'll stop over here. In 8 8 1s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and then again 4 2s are 8, so it's a repeated factor. I will stop over here. And 12 1 12s are 12, 1 2 6 are 12, 1 3 4s are 12, and 4 3s are 12, so it's a repeated factor, so I will stop over here. So the factors of 6 that I get to know are 1 2 3 and 6, and factors of 8 are 1 2 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Now I will know the highest common factors. So in this in this all 1 2 are common, only these 2. So of course 1 and 2 I have to choose the greater one, so 2 is greatest in from 1. So the highest common factor of 6 8 and 12 that divides them completely is 2. Then I'm having the find the HCF of 18, 27 and 39 by their factors. So 18, 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, and 3 6 are 18, and then 3 6 are 18. So now here we'll stop because of already we have done 3 6 are 18. Then 27 1 27s are 27, 3 9s are 27. Then again I have 9 3s are 27. So it's a repeated factor, so I will stop over here. Then 1 30, 39 1 39s are 39, 3 13s are 39, 13 3s are 39. It's again repeated, so I will stop over here. So factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Factors of 27 are 1 3 9 and 27, and factors of 39 are 1 3 13 and 39. So here the common factors are 1 and 3 that are common in all of these two. Like if you see 9 is common in 9 is common in these two, but not in the third one, so it's not possible. So here 1 and 3 are the basic commons. So common factors are 1 and 3. So as you know, 3 is greater than 1, so of course our highest common factor would be 3. It was a very short lecture, so I hope you like today's lecture. I see you in the next lecture. Till that, takes up. Allah Hafiz.